Dude. Great.
Oh. So the complaint is that when she uses her sink, that it backs up down here, but that's not backing up. That's not backing up, dude. Here, that's water. Cool. All right. Thanks.
Yeah.
Still draining. Do we really have a problem here? Did it resolve itself? I'm not listening. Maybe. So it's only when she dumps water up, because I'm filling the sink up down there and it's not backing up downstairs.
Oh, okay.
I guess let that fill up.
Yeah.
And then
So they go in here, no?
yeah.
Right.
And then dump it and just holler at me, I'll be down here.
Oh yeah.
Thanks. I'll just wait for this guy to dump it. It's got a little ways to go. Yeah, you can go ahead and drop it. Thank you. Oh yeah, it does come up. Look at that. Huh. Definitely comes up. All right. Well. All right. Thanks, man. Hey. Would you mind leaving your door open, because I'm gonna have to do that a couple more times. So I guess it's just when there's a real high volume of water. It backs up. Okay, so we're gonna need to take this apart. Okay. Oh, bye. All right, so just full of grease. Put this back together. Now we're gonna dump it one more time and see if that solves the issue. Might have to be hydrojetted. Yeah, you can it. Yeah, go ahead. Okay. You can hear it draining. Yep, that was it. Can we do that one more time with hot water?
Hot water?
Yeah. Just and maybe fill it up almost. It's good. It's not backing up. I just want to.
It goes like this much left.
Yeah. Just do hot water. I just want to flush the entire line out. You know.